I've developed this repeatable routine with my team. If we ever feel as though the business problems we're identifying might require a new technology, I have them go through this process of first and foremost identifying and prioritizing the root problem of what we're trying to solve. And as I mentioned earlier, a lot of technologies are actually folding in features that their competitors might have and or actually allow them to have competitive differentiation. So as you look at how you want to solve the root problem, your current tech stack could actually offer a solution. Your team may just not have known that yet. So partner with your marketers to make sure that your current technology, which you've ideally already vetted and have approved of, is actually folding in all that advanced usage. And then, of course, one of the
Oh,
yeah, go ahead, Andy.
Can I add something to that? I think that you just made a really salient point that I want to add for the privacy folks and the lawyers here. That means that when MK and her team and the person like that in your organization, they come to you, I've found it's really helpful to talk through all of the potential use cases for a technology and to vet them all at once. And you want to use this way now, and you want to process personal information in this particular way. What else does this tool do? What are you going to use it for, and what are you going to use it for in the future when we scale? And if you start thinking about that early on, you've done that impact assessment in the right way at the right time, and you don't have to go back later. Instead, it's we're going to turn this feature on. So I just want to call that out, that's so thinking scalably.
Yeah, I love that, and that's the name of the game for marketers today is scale and efficiency. So wherever we can optimize that, the better our jobs become, the easier our jobs become. And once you've been able to evaluate that current tech stack, that technology that you have, and you have decided that introducing a new piece of technology to your tech stack is the right way to go, the key that so many folks skip over is having an implementation plan. Now, part of the implementation plan should be touching base with your legal and or compliance teams to make sure that the tool that you're using has met the standards of excellence that your organization has. But this also means that you're training people how to use the new tool so that inevitably there is going to be data input from a human somewhere along the way. But that as they add that information, they are adhering to the right procedures to make sure that we have refined the data integrity. And then, of course, like any good marketer, our job is to always analyze and optimize. These days, marketers are a lot more scientists than they are arts and crafts and creatives. And so the analysis and optimization of solving your problems and or introducing technology to help alleviate those problems is becoming the fourth and one of the most important steps in a modern day marketer's life. So these are the 4 steps we use to assess B2B technology, but now you're going to need to understand how to actually apply that technology into a sound marketing strategy. So